a good day to get their tubers. Been a while since we put a video up here. We're making a video off the iPad because it's too windy out here to do anything. It was nice just it's just bleh. Anyway, UPS just came by and brought me my return, and it's from Samsung. My Note 8. I dropped it the other day. Yes, it was an out-of-box case, and I don't know what hit it, or if anything hit it, but I picked it up and the screen had two little dots in it. I mean, it was smooth and so get out, but I didn't want to catch fire or nothing. So, let's see what this looks like. This is a whole different, they tell me they're giving them a different box, but then they send it in this one. Okay, got a little things here. This is the first time I've ever sent a phone back to Samsung, so I don't know what to expect. What? I sent it back in the original box it came in when I bought the phone, just so they could have it. So I didn't want it to get damaged or nothing, so just used the phone the box it came in. But apparently that wasn't good, so I'll explain to you what this and this is. Let's see what the phone looks like first. Ooh. Oh. SIM card. And I totally forgot to take the S Pen out. It's supposed to do that. Well, they cleaned that really good. Holy crap. Either that or it's a new phone one. But anyway, let's go ahead and power it on here. I'm so happy to get this phone back. Yes, I have an iPhone, but this is my backup one. Oh, good night. I was gonna say I might just keep this plastic on here to keep it from it looks like it's a brand new phone. It might be a new one, I don't know. Because when I sent it to them, I factory resetted it. But they might have redone it again, I don't know. I'm gonna put the SIM card in, because apparently it needs it to do anything else. Okay, there's the service, okay. So, everything looks like it's supposed to. And let's see what this says right here. I don't know what this is. Oh, I know what's in the bag, but I don't know what this little paper thing says right here. Let's see if I can tear it off here and see. Attention! Contents of the package include accessories received until repair with your unit. Yes, I know, but I didn't know that was in the box. Now, let's see what the little letter says here. Okay, get you some popcorn and a drink. I'm not going to tell you what my name and stuff is, because that's piracy anyway. Thank you for giving us our opportunity to ensure you have the best experience with your Samsung product. We are pleased to return your repaired device to you. Samsung Certified Pro has fully analyzed and repaired the defects found in your order. Validate that the repair was successful and your device has no additional defects. Your device has been confirmed to pass the fully rated test and okay. Well, and there's all kinds of things they replaced in it, which is all these things. Let's see, it's there's two things on here that there's 4 things they replaced. It was no vibration, which I didn't have no problem with. Black spot on LCD, which I had a problem with. Keypad cosmetics, I don't think I had a problem with that, and we're not charged. I didn't have a problem with that, but okay. I guess that'll work. And guess what it cost? Free! I'm sorry, Apple, but you're outdone. Once again. But anyway, go ahead and set this up here and we'll see how she rolls here. I'll go ahead and put the Wi-Fi back on this. If I can frickin' see it from here. I'm blind, I can't see nothing. I'm just kidding, I'm not blind. Oh. I thought I put the right one in. Hold on here, let's see what it says here. Let me go back to my notes on my iPhone. Because that's where I usually get my password from. Try it again. Having a little problem here. Oh well, we don't have to have this anyway. Let's see. Activate device. Activating your devices. Yeah, that was already activated. You crazy thing. Oh, here we go with this crap. Anyway, tubers, y'all have a good and thanks for watching. And just want to let you know how this Samsung went. Hope y'all have a good weekend.